Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 13 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it, and then scroll down to find this option, block numbers. Confirm it with OK, with actually tapping on block, and basically from now on your device won't receive any incoming calls and text messages from this number. As you can see here, we've got those characteristic icons, which means that the number has been blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to enter it, we have to open the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers. And this is our blacklist, that's the number, or actually numbers, we blocked from our contacts. We can also tap on add a number here and now enter it manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. What's more, here we've got this option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and your device will basically block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can unblock the number just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.